Ron Dugan, one stock you like in the GuideStone Value Equity Fund is JP Morgan. Now the financials were flat to start the year, but JP Morgan seems to be coming on of late. How much higher can it go?
We think there's still a tremendous amount of upside left with JP Morgan. It's a high quality company, and yet it's still been trading at a discount relative to its peer group. It's a well-run company. They are strong franchises, whether it be in the banking, investment banking, credit card areas. So we think there's a lot of potential that's still there to be unlocked. With our value equity fund, we look at companies that are trading below discount to their intrinsic value. We're also looking for higher than expected growth relative to peer group. And so this company in particular is one that embodies that characteristic that we look for as part of our investment objective for the fund.
And staying in financials, you're also a fan of Citigroup. They've done a whole lot of restructuring. What takes this one higher?
The new management team in particular, we think, has the potential to unlock a lot of value with this particular company. It's been trading at a deeper value, a deeper discount even than JP Morgan relative to its peer group. And so with the global franchise they have in place and the strong business units that are functioning well, we think this management can unlock more value with that particular company and do so in the not too distant future.
And speaking of management, you're also a fan of Microsoft. Satya Nadella has done a great job at that company, putting a great deal of new energy into it, turning it around. So tell me, what takes Microsoft higher?
Well, we think they're making a positive transition to the cloud. They're doing a lot of positive things with some new rollouts of software, and with some of these new businesses or new products that they're unleashing on the market, we think there's a great opportunity for the market to catch on to those. And with the strong asset base that Microsoft has, along with its strong R&D effort, we think that there's more and more opportunity there in that particular company. And so it's one that's been a bit overlooked in the marketplace, if something as large as Microsoft can be. But you have typical investors that are either looking for very deep value or very strong growth. This one's somewhere in the middle, and yet we think there's a positive upside for Microsoft relative to its peer group.
All right, thanks a lot, Ron.
All right, thank you, Greg.